Welcome to Heritage Lake in West Mobile, Alabama. My featured home of the day is the Rhett Floor Plan. It is a 4-bedroom with 2 full baths. It's over 1,800 square feet and it features a 2-car garage. This home is a great size. It still has the tray ceilings in the living area as well as the primary suite. Lots of natural light. Luxury vinyl plank throughout the living areas. The primary bath features a soaking tub along with a freestanding tiled shower. Don't forget, these are gold fortified homes. That drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance premium. And D.R. Horton pays up to $5,000 towards your buyer's closing costs when you use their preferred lender. Don't forget to ask about special interest rates. D.R. Horton has the best interest rates in town. Call today for your private showing. 251-234-9919. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600. Don't forget, anytime you go to a D.R. Horton model home, make sure you let them know that Frankie Wink sent you. My services are free for buyers.